think just going back to your first few jobs and before you fell into that and owning your own company and all of that, there were other jobs that I know of that you had, in Chicago and whatnot, that you hated. I think that it's important for people to understand who are in that position that there's a reason for that and that those jobs serve their purpose, and to not get down on yourself there because it's just a step of the process.
Yeah, I mean, you remember the conversations we had when you were in Chicago and you were answering phones and doing expense accounts and making travel arrangements, and you weren't doing anything that was creative, but you were in a very creative environment, and you were getting a paycheck, and you were learning how to live on your own and support yourself and balance a checkbook and take care of credit cards and travel from point A to point B without any guidance, and you get your bus passes and your plane tickets, and these are becoming an adult experiences, and you can't dismiss those. You have to go through them.